James, could you help me with something?
What do you need help with, Lily?
I am having a hard time understanding the relationships of pressure, volume, and temperature in the gas laws.
Well, what do you want me to do about it?
Do you know any examples of these laws at work in real life?
Why, yes, I do.
Can you give me an example of Charles's law?
Okay, Charles's law says that temperature is directly related to volume. So if you increase the temperature, then the volume would also increase, as long as the pressure stays constant. Think about a rugby ball. If you take it outside on a cold day, then it would shrink a little bit because the molecules inside the ball are moving slower. So they don't hit the walls of the ball as much.
Oh, okay. So if temperature goes up, then volume goes up. And if temperature goes down, volume goes down?
Correct. Now let's move on to Boyle's law. It states that if you increase the pressure on an object, then the volume of that object would decrease. And if you decrease the pressure on an object, then the volume of that object would increase.
Oh, you mean like fish?
What?
If you take a fish that lives deep in the sea and you bring them up to the surface, they would die because the pressures would decrease, and the volume of the gases in their bodies would increase, and it would cause the blood vessels, membranes, and internal organs of the fish to pop.
Oh, then yes, you are right.
What about Gay-Lussac's law? It says that if you increase the temperature of the gas, then the pressures would increase also. And if you decrease the temperature, the pressures would also decrease.
Think of an aerosol can. If you expose it to flame, then that would increase the temperature quickly, which speeds up the molecules inside the can, and would cause them to bump into the surface of it more often, and the build-up of that pressure could cause the can to explode. Which is the reason why they have that warning on those cans.
Oh, okay, I get it now. Thank you for your help, James. Now I can get 100 on my chemistry project.
It's no problem.